Doing a fiberglass repair on an RV today. Gotta show you guys how it's done. Got it all sanded down. Put my fiberglass meshing in the back of the crack. Now this is drying until tomorrow. Then we'll do the outside. Alright, here's what the outside looks like with some fiberglass filler. Let this harden, we'll sand it down. Alright, let's DA sand it down with some, say, 80 grit. Got it all sanded down. Ready to put the glaze coat on it. Finish it up. Alright, got some glaze on there. Once it dries, we'll sand it down and get it ready for printer. Now we're hitting it with some 2K primer. Put 2-3 coats on, sand it off tomorrow. Hey, we're back 2 days after the snow came. It's all melting now, as you see over there. Got it all sanded down and taped up. Gonna wax and grease it. Spray some color and some clear. Alright, let's see how it goes. First coat is on. Let that flash and do another coat. Got our heat lamp helping us. Alright, the base is all on. Get ready to shoot some clear. Some 2-to-1 clear. Here we go. There we go. There's the clear coat on.